Today I'm checking out these wiper blades that we got for my truck. I did purchase these off of Amazon, and normally I am buying either the OEM wiper blades or some of the more name brand ones that you see, but I wanted to try these. They got really good reviews and they were at a fraction of the cost of the ones that I normally buy. So I could probably throw 5 of these away for one of the other blades that I would have normally bought. And from what I have read, these are just as good, if not better. So I'm going to go ahead and get these out of the box. We're going to check out what the blades look like, and then I'm going to put them on my truck, see how well they do. When you take them out of the box, they are individually wrapped like this in plastic, so I wanted to show you that. And I have a 2022 Chevy Silverado HD, and I wanted to make sure that these fit. Of course, Amazon said they do. These are both 22 inches or 550 millimeter. They have this kind of curvature, which probably can see better when I get them out of the package, but they look like they have that, that little lip there that when you're driving your vehicle and it's raining, it actually helps push the blade to the window better. So that curvature is supposed to be something that actually helps hold the blade. So this is them out of the plastic, and it does have this little protective sleeve on them. So I guess that's to kind of protect the edge that's on the blades, but it does have a nice clean edge on it, and it has this little lip here. So if you install these properly on your vehicle, when it's on the windshield, this thing straightens out a little bit. This has some like aerodynamics that's supposed to help push it on the windshield tighter when it's running, so that way you get a better squeegee effect as it's going across, not the jumping and everything else. So that's supposed to help that. We'll see. It's just your standard J clip type of clips on here. Should be able to just take this off and hook them right on. Let's go do it. These are my OEM windshield wipers on this truck, and they're super easy to come off. You just pop up this little tab here, which is going to be on this side of the windshield wiper. As you can see on that one there, there's a tab in front of where that bend is. That tab is this right here. You just pop that up, you can use screwdriver, key, whatever. Then on this one, you just push these 2 little tabs in right here, which allow you to pop this up. And then you put this one on just the way you were putting the other one by snapping it in and pulling it away from the wiper. So put it underneath here, you pull it this way, and then you can snap it right into place. And there you go. The new one is now snapped into place with the little plastic hinge down. It's going to keep it locked in there. I'm going to go do the other one and we're going to test it out. Alright, it's probably pretty hard to see my windshield with the camera, but you can see some of the bug spots and everything in there. But the windshield wipers I had before, they were getting older and they were leaving streaks really bad, and they were even starting to hop a little bit. Just nothing really good. So I'm going to now try these new wipers. I mean, one swipe of the wiper, they're dry. I mean, they're squeegeeing them perfect, like brand new wipers should. And I mean, really well. Even though there's all the bug spots and everything on there, cleans them really good. So I think I'm done buying those expensive wipers. I think these are the ones that I'm going to start buying. All right, I hope this information was helpful. Thank y'all for watching. Take care.